guys, it's Dom from MobileTechTalk. We are at MWC 2018 at the Samsung booth, checking out the brand new Galaxy S9 Plus. And I say brand new, slightly tongue-in-cheek. It's very much an evolutionary design over the Galaxy S8. So if you come in closer and have a look, we've got the same 6.2-inch 2960 by 1440, 18.5 to 9, 6.2-inch Infinity display from Samsung. That is a mouthful. Otherwise, it's pretty much the same front. The corners, the radius of the corners seems to have changed a little bit to make it a little boxier compared to the S8, but that's not really one of the big things. One of the big things that has changed this year, if we flip it over, they put the fingerprint scanner in the right place. Mind is blown. It's a fingerprint scanner where human hands can reach. I don't have to be a scroll and have fingers like this long. It's amazing. What else has changed over the Galaxy S8, if we take it back to the back, is this new camera. So just like the Note 8, we have a wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens. These are what Samsung is calling super speed dual pixels, which basically means each pixel pulls double duty to be a focusing aspect as well as an actual pixel, which means stupid fast focusing times. And if I open up the camera, if we have a look, if I focus on him and then him, basically the camera can keep up. But the second really cool thing about the camera this year is it has a variable aperture. So it's set at f1.5, which is insane, and then f2.4. Now there's nothing in between, but you can manually choose between these in the Pro mode. So if Craig goes back a bit and if I change the aperture, you may be able to see it on the top lens. Can you see that? Yeah? That's cool. So basically it works in the same way that your eye does. You go into a bright room, the iris closes to take in less light. You go into a dark room, it really opens so you can get as much light in as possible. Now in auto mode, which is what pretty much everyone will always be in, unless you are a pro, or at least just someone who thinks they're a pro, this is done automatically. Most of the time you'll be in f2.4, but if you need it, the camera automatically switches to the f1.5. Wow, brain fart. And then you get the benefits of those. So something you actually can't see is the new stuff inside. So in North America, China and Japan, they get the brand new Snapdragon 845, which is pretty good, but Europe and the rest of the world gets the Exynos 9810, which from everything we've seen, guys, that's the one you want. So yeah, this has been a very quick hands-on with the Galaxy S9 Plus here at MWC 2018 at the Samsung booth. I have been Dom, Craig is behind the camera, and we'll see you in the next video.